Dear students, Namaskar. Myself S.K. Rajput. Today we will discuss about chemical properties of some metals. We are using a new metal calcium, Ca calcium. When calcium react with oxygen, it form calcium oxide. Listen, calcium oxide. Actually here the valency of calcium is 0, oxygen of calcium is 0. After the reaction calcium become 2 plus, oxygen become 2 minus. It means calcium remove 2 electron and 2 electron is gained by oxygen. So the valency of calcium is increased from 0 to become plus 2. This process is called oxidation. Oxidation means increment of oxidation. And the valency means oxygen state of oxygen is reduced from 0 to minus 2. This process is called reduction and this is called redox reaction. This is calcium oxide. Calcium oxide also called quicklime. This is solid, quicklime. When we dissolve this quicklime in water, then you know what will happen? Calcium oxide react with water and form calcium hydroxide. The valency of calcium is 2, so we write CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide. Actually, calcium oxide is a compound, water another compound. In this reaction, two compounds are combining and giving a single product. This reaction is called combination reaction. In combination reaction, two compounds combine and give a single product. This is calcium hydroxide. Actually, if we are focusing here, this is water and we added quicklime in water, then maximum quantity settle down inside the container and very few quantity of calcium hydroxide exist in mother liquid. So calcium hydroxide exists in 3 different states. Number 1, the solution of calcium hydroxide in water. This solution is called LW, lime water. Lime water means the mother liquid in which the very less quantity of calcium hydroxide exists in water. Its maximum quantity settle down because calcium hydroxide is not completely dissolved in water. Maximum quantity precipitate. This wet and fresh precipitate is called milk of lime. This is actually suspension. If we remove this precipitate dry, then the dry compound, solid compound is called select lime. Listen, what the meaning of lime water, milk of lime and select lime? Select lime is its solid powder compound. The suspension means precipitate is called milk of lime and the liquid means compound which is dissolved in solution. This is called solution of lime, calcium hydroxide is called lime water. If we are passing chlorine gas, number 1, and second is CO2 gas in lime water, then what will happen? Listen, on passing chlorine gas in lime water, bleaching powder is formed. Remember, bleaching powder, how can we prepare bleaching powder? By passing chlorine gas in lime water. If we are passing CO2 gas in lime water, then a white precipitate form of calcium carbonate along with H2O. This calcium carbonate is called limestone. This limestone does not dissolve in water, so milky color is formed. Milky color is formed. So generally in exam paper they ask what happens when we pass CO2 in lime water. After passing CO2, actually this is called test of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is the gas on passing in calcium hydroxide, it form milky color of insoluble calcium carbonate, which form as a precipitate in water. If we are passing CO2 in a long time, after some time, if we are passing continuous CO2 gas, then this precipitate further react with carbon dioxide and form calcium bicarbonate. The valency of calcium is 2, we write here. This calcium bicarbonate is soluble in water. So the milky color disappear. But our question is, how can we prepare bleaching powder? Listen here. Actually, this is sodium hydroxide, and if we replace sodium by calcium, then calcium hydroxide with 2 valency of calcium. This is calcium hydroxide, this is sodium hydroxide. We are passing chlorine gas in both, in NaOH, also in lime water. Listen, the water reaction is photocopy of above reaction. In above reaction, 2 NaCl are used. First molecule of NaCl is NaOH for NaCl. This N is called sodium chloride. Second is NaOCl. This is called sodium oxochloride. This is oxochloride ion, and this is plus, this is minus. And last, water is also formed. If you replace sodium by calcium in above reaction, this sodium replaced by calcium, this is formed. After passing chlorine gas, here you write calcium. So you know the valency of calcium is 2, so we write CaCl. Here we are using Ca, the valency of Ca is 2, so we will write Cl whole 2. Remember, OCl minus is oxochloride ion, its valency is -1, but the valency of calcium is 2, we write here, and water is formed. Air solution means solution in which NaCl, NaOCl, H2O, this is called bleaching solution, because NaCl and these are all soluble in compound, but here calcium chloride, calcium oxochloride does not soluble properly in water, so this form is a precipitate. This is a solid powder called bleaching powder. This is called bleaching solution, this is called bleaching powder. So bleaching powder we can remember easily by the reacting chlorine in calcium hydroxide with calcium hydroxide. Listen, so we are continue with properties of calcium. Calcium react with oxygen, calcium oxide form. Calcium oxide on dissolving gives combination reaction, form calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, if we pass chlorine gas in calcium hydroxide, then for bleaching powder, bypassing CO2 gas in bleaching powder, in calcium hydroxide, calcium carbonate is formed. This is insoluble solid compound called limestone. This is insoluble. On further passing of CO2, calcium bicarbonate is formed. Calcium, remember, calcium bicarbonate is soluble, but calcium carbonate is not soluble. Next, this is calcium oxide. If we are passing carbon dioxide on the surface of calcium oxide, quicklime, then quicklime react with CO2 and form CaCO2. Remember, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide, these are two compounds, these are reacting and giving a single product. This is also called combination reaction. If we heat calcium carbonate, then this reaction become reverse. After removal carbon dioxide, quicklime also form. So the reverse reaction in which calcium carbonate is breaking down into two different species, this reverse reaction is called decomposition. But we are providing heat, so this is called thermal decomposition. Thermal decomposition means bringing down any compound by the help of heat. This is calcium carbonate, also called limestone. You know the uses of limestone. Limestone is an important compound. We use this compound in formation of talc, chewing gum, also in toothpaste. Calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate is heated with H2SO4, can you guess which compound is formed? Very simple. This calcium will react with sulfate, will form calcium sulfate. The formula is calcium sulfate. Calcium is Ca and sulfate is SO4. Calcium sulfate along with removal of H2O and CO2. CO2 and H2, one oxygen liberated. This CO2 liberate very speedily, so called effervescence. Effervescence means the bubbles of CO2. Generally in question paper they ask, there is a compound, when we add some drop of concentrated otherwise dilute sulfuric acid in this compound, then effervescence of gas is observed. What is the gas? Gas is carbon dioxide. To detect the presence of carbon dioxide, simple test, pass carbon dioxide in lime water, milky color will appear. This is calcium sulfate. If calcium sulfate is kept in moisture, it absorbs 2 water molecules inside it and form calcium sulfate 2H2O. This is actually called gypsum, and this process is called crystallization. Crystallization means formation of crystal in which water molecules are introduced. This is gypsum. If we heat gypsum on above the temperature of 120 degrees Celsius, if the temperature is 120 degrees Celsius, on heating gypsum from 2 water molecule, 1.5 water molecule remove, 1.5 water molecule remove, and remaining water molecule calcium sulfate dot half H2O. The calcium sulfate half means called Hemi. The chemical name of gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. Di means 2, hydrate means water. But on heating at 120 degrees Celsius, from 2, 1.5 water molecule remove, remain half water molecule is remaining. So this compound is called calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Hemi means half. Another name of this compound is POP. POP. POP is called plaster of Paris. You know the uses of plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris is used in the formation of toy, in formation of plaster during fracture of bones, also statue formation. So quickly revise the reactions of calcium. Calcium react with oxygen, form calcium oxide, calcium selenium, quicklime. Quicklime by reacting CO2 form limestone. On reacting with sulfuric acid, it gives calcium sulfate. Calcium sulfate is a bipolar compound. If it absorbs water, gives gypsum. Gypsum is calcium sulfate dihydrate. On heating gypsum above 120 Celsius, it gives plaster of Paris. This is most important compound. If we are cooling plaster of Paris, then it gives reverse reaction just like it. By reverse reaction, again gypsum form. Gypsum now become very hard compound. And if we are dissolving quicklime in water, it gives calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide, different name, lime water, milk of lime, select them on the basis of their physical property, physical states. And on passing chlorine gas in calcium hydroxide, bleaching powder is formed. And on passing CO2 gas, calcium carbonate, which is limestone, is formed as an insoluble precipitate colored milky color. If we are passing CO2 gas for a long time, then calcium bicarbonate form, which is soluble in water. So thank you for watching. We will continue with reactions of next element, next metal. Thank you.